Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you create a LinkedIn business page for your company. All right. So first thing, log into your LinkedIn account. So just one thing that you're going to ensure that you need to have a personal account on LinkedIn in order to create a business page, and your profile needs to be at least have a strength of in the line of intermediate to advanced, minimum intermediate. So just make sure you have those two criterias in order to create your page. So firstly, you log into your personal account. So once you've logged into your personal account, what you have to do is on your home page, you should see a button here called work next to the uh, me tab. There should be an option called work. Click on it. So once you click on work, what you have to do is scroll down and you'll see an option here, last at last, create a company page. So click on that. You click on that, and here now we're going to start creating the page. So it's going to ask you some basic information. So what are we creating for, like a page for the company or an education institution, all those things. So you can select company because we are creating for a company, and there you go. Here, what you're going to write is the name of your organizations. All right. So whatever your name is, so right, just write any uh, just any name, your company name, right? And then LinkedIn will generate a URL for it by default based on your company name, so that's fine, which is cool. And then your website, so you just got to fill in all this information here, your company website if you have one, and then the industry, like under which industry it falls on, organization size, all those things here, type, size, all those things, and here, and your logo, your company logos, and then a basic small intro about your company or a tagline to your company if you have one. All right, so yep, add your logo, your tagline if you have one, and fill as much as information as possible. All right, and then click on this verify terms and conditions text box, and then hit on create page. So once you hit that, then there you go. That should create a page for your company, and you can further get into your page and then do more editing or add more information. Whatever you can do whatever you want to. So that's how you create a page. So hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys in the new video soon.